Hey folks, still here in Vermont, staying at my buddy's place. Um, been doing a lot of work. That's the reason why I haven't putting out videos. Let me show you what I've been doing. All right, so he had several floor jacks that didn't work, so I fixed 3 of them. One on the far side and 2 in the garage. And I was rebuilding this cart right here for his wife, and then he decided that well, I guess they decided that they didn't want it, so they gave it to me. And so I took it all apart, and I clear coated the wood, got new tires for it, and had to redo this brace that was down here. This is not the original brace, but I welded that together and then bolted it back on and put the legs on it, because it used to have a piece that came like this. But that's almost ready to go. I got a few more parts coming for it. He's been gracious enough to let me do all these, do my maintenance since I've been here. And he's gonna help me today to replace this window here with an RV window, one that slides. I bought this thinking I was gonna, I bought it at a garage sale, thinking I was gonna store it in my trailer, and realized that it's going to take up too much room, and I'd rather go pedal around with this than pedal stationary with that. The trike is doing fantastic, love it. And I had to change out the let me turn you around here. Had to change out my cam sensor on my bus. It wasn't that difficult. Well, it really was, but we just had a hard time getting to the bolt. My buddy helped me out. We had to use a breaker bar to break the 10mm bolt loose, just because we couldn't get the leverage with what we had. But this is sort of where I'm staying. Let me back up here. I'll just show you when we get out here. All right, so here's where I'm staying. Pretty cool place. This is in North Hero, Vermont. But pretty cool place. Very laid back, very quiet, except when I'm doing my work or when he's doing his work. We also let me show you, we also fixed his zero-turn lawnmower. This is right. And there's one of the jacks I repaired. And so basically we had to, the axle that comes out is not just an axle, it's a whole, let me see if I can get a picture for you. I doubt I can. I might be able to see better. Not really. But anyhow, it's an axle that's run by hydraulics back inside there, and it busted a bearing at the end of the axle. So we had to get a new bearing, put a new oil filter in it, or filter, but it's back running. And he was generous enough to let me use that arc welder there to weld that cross member on my cart. And I ordered a few things for him that he doesn't know about. I ordered some hanging lamps for his workbench right here. So they're going to come from the ceiling, come down, and give him a much more light on his workbench than what he has now. That, and I also ordered, I don't know if you've ever seen them, I'll have a picture in the corner, but a Wonder Winder. You put an extension cord in it, and it's got a little hand crank on it, and you crank up it, and it coils the cord as it comes back in. But I'm having fun out here. I'm having fun out here, enjoying myself, and be leaving here probably the first week in July, heading back west, and then I will head west eventually to Dallas, but on the way back I'll hit like Nebraska. There's a cool car museum there, antique car museum, that kind of stuff. And then I'll probably I'm gonna be in, what is it, September or October, I'll be heading to Arizona again. This time I'll be I'm gonna go to Cochise County, Arizona, and probably buy me some land there. Probably near Steampunk Steve, pretty close to him anyhow. So anyhow, that's all I can think of for now. Been also messing with my paramotor, and I'll show you that on another video. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and hope everybody's doing well. Later.